Hello, Python lesson 8. When we use input, Python takes every value as text string. To use numbers properly, we convert it with int. Example: program. Step 1, open python 3. Step 2, type the following code for number 1 and for number 2. Remainder equal to number 1 percentage mark number 2 print the bracket and the quotes remainder comma remainder. Click the run button. Enter the first button 20. Press enter key to continue. Enter the second number 10. Press enter key to continue. The output of this program is remainder equal to 0. Okay, thank you.